Let's make vegan protein waffles, fluffy and packed with plant-based goodness in under 20 minutes. First, make a flax egg by mixing 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 2.5 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for 5 minutes. In a large bowl, combine all the ingredients. Whisk together the milk, melted vegan butter, vanilla extract, and the flax egg. Then, add the oat flour, protein powder, baking powder, sugar, and salt. Mix everything well. Don't overmix. Lumpy batter is happy batter. This batter is great to store, but if it thickens too much, simply add a splash of plant-based milk and stir until it reaches your desired consistency. Grease your waffle iron, pour the batter, and cook until golden brown. Let them cook just a bit longer than your waffle maker's timer suggests to allow them to crisp up a little. Top with fresh fruit, a drizzle of maple syrup, or your favorite nut butter. And there you have it, vegan protein waffles that are delicious and nutritious. Visit nutsandtwigs.com for details.